What's up everybody, it's TechSphereX back again with another video. And this time we're diving deep into the world of Vivo with their latest release, the Vivo S20. Now, Vivo's been known to bring some serious heat when it comes to design. And they're pushing the boundaries even further with the S20. We're talking a phone that's not just about looking good, but also packing some serious power under the hood. So, if you're tired of phones that compromise on either style or performance, stick around because the Vivo S20 might just be the perfect blend you've been waiting for. Let's break it down and see what this phone is all about. First things first, let's talk design. The Vivo S20 is all about that premium, sleek aesthetic. We're talking super slim bezels, a minimal camera bump that blends seamlessly into the back panel, and a form factor that just feels incredibly comfortable in hand. Vivo really nailed the ergonomics on this one, guys. It's lightweight, easy to grip, and it just feels good to hold. They've also paid attention to the little details like the placement of the buttons and the overall finish of the phone. It's clear that Vivo put a lot of thought into making this phone look and feel as premium as possible. And let me tell you, it definitely shows. This is a phone that you'll be proud to pull out of your pocket. Whether you're scrolling through social media, watching videos, or just using it on the go, the Vivo S20's design is sure to turn heads. It's a statement piece, a phone that reflects your own sense of style and appreciation for good design. And the best part, it comes in a range of stunning colors to match your vibe. Now let's talk about that display. The Vivo S20 packs a 6.67-inch FHD plus AMOLED display, and let me tell you, it is gorgeous. We're talking vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible clarity. Whether you're scrolling through your Instagram feed, watching your favorite Netflix shows, or just browsing the web, this display is an absolute treat for the eyes. And with a super smooth refresh rate, everything just feels incredibly fluid and responsive. Vivo knows that the display is your window into the digital world, and they definitely didn't cut any corners here. From the moment you fire up that screen, you're greeted with vivid colors and sharp details that make everything from photos to videos just pop. And let's not forget about that in-display fingerprint sensor. It's fast, it's accurate, and it just adds to the overall premium feel of the phone. Vivo really hit it out of the park with this display. It's bright, it's beautiful, and it's perfect for consuming all kinds of content on the go. Alright, let's move on to the camera department because the Vivo S20 packs some serious photography firepower. We're talking a 64 megapixel AI triple camera setup that's ready to capture stunning photos and videos in any situation. From that impressive 64 megapixel main sensor to the dedicated ultra-wide and macro lenses, this phone's got you covered for all your photography needs. And don't even get me started on the night mode. It's insane how much detail and clarity this phone can capture even in low-light conditions. Vivo's really stepped up their camera game with the S20. The camera app itself is also super intuitive and easy to use, with a ton of different shooting modes and features to play around with. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, you'll be able to capture some amazing shots with this phone. And let's not forget about that front-facing camera. With a high-resolution sensor and some clever AI algorithms, the Vivo S20 is ready to take your selfie game to the next level. Chapter 4, Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 Power. Now let's talk performance. The Vivo S20 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor, and trust me, this phone can handle anything you throw at it. We're talking smooth multitasking, lag-free gaming, and snappy performance across the board. Whether you're switching between multiple apps, editing videos on the fly, or just browsing the web, the S20 delivers a buttery, smooth experience. And with ample RAM and storage options, you'll have plenty of space for all your apps, games, and files. Vivo knows that a phone's gotta be fast to keep up with your demanding digital life, and the S20 definitely delivers on that front. From casual gaming to demanding apps, this phone just doesn't slow down. And let's be real, nobody wants a phone that lags, right? The Vivo S20 makes sure you're always in the flow, whether you're working, playing, or just scrolling through your social feeds. Chapter 5, Long-Lasting Battery. Okay, let's talk battery life. The Vivo S20 packs a massive 5,000 mAh battery that's designed to keep you going all day long. We're talking hours of screen-on time, heavy usage without breaking a sweat, and the peace of mind knowing your phone's not gonna die on you in the middle of the day. And if you do need to top up, the S20 comes with blazing fast 66-watt charging. We're talking about going from 0 to full in under an hour. Yeah, you heard that right. So, even if you forget to charge it overnight, a quick top-up is all you need to get going again. Vivo understands that battery life is crucial and they've really outdone themselves with the S20. Whether you're a heavy user or just need a phone that can last through a long day, the S20 has got you covered. And with fast charging speeds like that, running out of juice is the least of your worries. Chapter 6: 5G Ready. And finally, let's talk about the future. The Vivo S20 is 5G ready, meaning you're all set to experience the next generation of mobile connectivity. We're talking lightning-fast download and upload speeds, seamless streaming, and a whole new world of possibilities for mobile gaming and beyond. Vivo's making sure you're future-proofed and ready to take advantage of all the latest advancements in mobile technology. So as 5G networks continue to roll out and evolve, you'll be at the forefront, experiencing the web and all your favorite apps and games like never before. The future is here, and the Vivo S20 is ready for it. So, are you? Outro: Vivo S20, your style amplified. So there you have it, guys, the Vivo S20. A phone that doesn't just meet expectations, it shatters them. Whether you're a content creator, a mobile gamer, or just someone who loves stylish tech, the Vivo S20 delivers the perfect mix of form and function. It's a phone that's as beautiful to look at as it is powerful to use. And with a price tag that won't break the bank, the Vivo S20 offers incredible value for everything it brings to the table. So, what are you waiting for? Go check it out.